Hey guys, it's Marley. Hey guys, it's Future Marley just editing here. And I'm just here to let you guys know that this video is supposed to be 3 face masks, but it would be way too long, so we're just me doing 1 today. So if my talking is weird, that's because I was talking as if we were doing 3. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Bye. Get back to the video. And today I'm back with another YouTube video.
Girl, you should know that I can love you better than we can.
So basically, today I am doing a homemade face mask video. So I know I didn't come up with these, well, I came up with them, but they've already been done before, plenty of time. So the first one, of course, is going to be the cucumber and honey. Now, the first step of the cucumber and honey oats mask is to take a few cucumbers, I'm going to say about 3, and put them in a food processor just to get them into small pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do, take the cucumber. Some of the benefits of cucumbers for your skin is they have vitamin A and C. It's anti-aging, so it gets rid of like wrinkles and stuff like that. It hydrates your skin to keep it hydrated, not dry. And then it removes the dead skin, and it has a lot of antioxidants. Now that's not everything, but that is some of the main stuff. Of course, there's so much more. So now I'm just going to take the cucumber and oats and just put them into my little, oops. Put them into my bowl. So what I'm going to do now is add some honey. I'm just gonna kind of go by eye. I don't know what it smells like, but like it's like just a mix of cucumber and honey is the smell, of course. But like it's kind of weird, but I don't hate it. So take my face mask face mask applier. I don't even know, but oh. So it's actually mostly just going to be honey on your face, which isn't a problem. Honey has great skin benefits because most of like the bigger stuff is just sliding off, which is not a problem. Here we go. It's not bad. It's just a little bit watery, I guess is the word for it. Okay. So now I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off, and then I'll come back to you. Maybe I'll put a little bit more on just to make sure it's getting every spot. Okay, so it has kind of chilled down, so I'm going to go take it off. I'm just going to run some water over my face and whatever, and then we'll go on to the next one. I think having the face mask on isn't even like the good part. It's taking it off and then like seeing if it really did anything. And I definitely think this one made my skin soft. Incredibly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you push that bell down below to get notified every single time I post. Like, comment, subscribe, go check out some of my other videos. You guys know it. Say it with me now. Cue the outro.